guys, so today I'm fortunate enough to have a friend who is opening his 2JZ GTE. So today I'm going to show you guys how to open this exhaust manifold together with the twin turbo and change it into a nicely built exhaust manifold with a single turbo setup. You don't need to open all the compressor wheel one by one. Okay? Actually, you just need to open all the water hoses, all the oil hoses, all the return feed and the in feed, and then you can just remove these 12 bolts and the whole thing will come off together. Right, so let's do it. Okay, so the water hose here, this one connect to here, the wastegate. Okay, just need to open the bracket for it. And then this whole thing can just come off of the water hoses. Just take it off first so that you can easily access to all the 12 bolts. Okay, now I've already removed the wastegate actuator. Now I need to remove the engine mounting, and then the engine mounting is very difficult to open, so I just need to pull out the socket, the box, and then hammer it a bit. Okay. This should be easier to open now. Okay. Definitely much easier than just now. I tried a lot for a very long time, but still able to open. Now just able to open it. Ooh, not easy. Okay guys, just want to recap and give you guys another angle. So the first one is you guys have to open up all the water hoses, all the air hoses, alright, and all the pipes, all the oil return, oil feed, everything you have to remove it first. And then after that, then you have to remove the exhaust wastegate. Okay, you can see these two. You have to remove it first because it is blocking the underneath. There are 3 more bolts. Okay, 3 more nuts for the exhaust manifold. And then after that, then you have to remove the engine mounting. So I've learned something new. This one, the engine mounting for GTE, this one has this long bolt. Not only these 4 bolts, but also this long bolt. So this is something new for GTE. Maybe the GTE got the turbo, so it is heavier and you'll need to add another bolt for it. But the G, I'm pretty sure it doesn't have this long bolt to hold this engine mounting stationary before locking up 4 bolts. Alright, so I already removed it, so it is easier now to reach the bottom 3 nuts, alright, for the exhaust manifold. Okay guys, just able to open up the 3 bolts, which is the most difficult because you need to open up so many hoses here, pipes here, the small downpipe, the small wastegate, and then the engine mounting. After you remove them, these 3 is very easy. Okay, so now left 2 more. This one I purposely leave it in place so that the whole exhaust manifold won't fall off. But now it is the final countdown, the last bolt. Last bolt. Cha-cha! Okay. Ta-da! Done. Okay, here you go. Here is the method of how to open your 2JZ GTE exhaust manifold together with your turbo. Okay, so try not to open up your turbo like this one. Okay, so this one is together with the turbo. Okay, be sure to subscribe and share if you guys think that this video can benefit your friends too. Alright, so stay tuned because next time I'm going to share with you guys how does this 2JZ twin turbo, compound turbo or within turbo, how does it work. Alright, see you.